Good morning students. How are you all? All are fine. Okay. Now we are going to start the class. Now already I have started 2 days back. Yes, two parts completed. And next topic is same chapter, more logo commands. The topic is some more logo commands. Some more logo commands. What was the over already topics? Logo over, logo full form and definition of logo, and logo window. Logo window, about logo window. How many parts logo window is divided? 2 parts. That is, one is main screen, other one is commander window. About that already I have explained. And some logo commands also I have explained. That is forward, back and right, left and clean, clear screen, this all. And print text, label, print syntax and label syntax, this I have explained. And today's topic is some more logo commands. Some more logo commands. What are the some more logo commands? See. First one, hide turtle. Hide turtle command. Hide means all of you know. See, hide turtle command. What is the use of it? This hide turtle we can raise in the HT also. This hide turtle full form also we can give in a command box. Otherwise, just HT also we can use like a HT. Just H and T. This hide command hides the turtle from the main screen. It hides means now after completing diagram, see this is the diagram. Triangle I have made. Yes, this is the diagram I made. Finally, turtle also here it is. Turtle also it is there. This diagram is looking good now. No, because this is the disturbance. This turtle symbol should not be here. We should hide it. We should hide it. That time what we have to do? That time we have to use the hide turtle. We have to use the hide command. We have to use the hide turtle command. Hide turtle command. See, this command is usually used when your drawing is completed. Means after completing of drawing, this symbol we can see on the main screen. But after completing of drawing, it is a little bit disturbance. It is looking not good. So that time we have to remove the turtle from our diagram. That time we can use hide turtle command. Hide turtle command. When we enter HT and when we press enter key, that time it should not be here. It is not visible. See, when you use hide turtle in commander window, this turtle can hide. Turtle can be hide, and turtle can remove from this diagram. That is the use of hide turtle. Hide turtle. Now turtle is hidden. If I have given forward FT 50 units, line can draw. Line can be drawn. When turtle is hidden also, that line we can draw in the main screen. We can draw in the main screen by giving the another commands. Okay, like this. Only turtle we cannot see, but we can able to draw the lines. We can able to turtle can still draw the lines even when turtle is hidden. When turtle is hidden, that time also we can able to draw the lines on the main screen by using commands. This is the hide turtle command. Hide turtle command. What is this? Hide turtle command. Hide turtle command used to hide the turtle on main screen. Hide the turtle on the main screen. This command is usually used when your drawing is completed. That time we can use to hide the turtle from that diagram. This is the about hide turtle command. See, next one is show turtle command. Show turtle command. Now we have added what we have done. We have added the turtle. Again, we want to see turtle on the main screen. What we have to do? We can put with a hand. It is possible? No. Like this we cannot do. So, for that purpose also we have to use the command only. We have to use the command. What is that command? Listen. That is the second one, show turtle command. Show turtle command. Show meaning all of you. Yes? Yes. Show turtle command. This command we can use to show the turtle in main screen. The show turtle command makes the turtle visible on the main screen. Visible means it is, now here there is no turtle. When we use st command, turtle we can see. Turtle again we can see on the main screen. Means this diagram you have used, you have saved it. Again you want to make another diagram. That time you want to see the turtle. You want to see the turtle. That time we can use the st command. Show turtle command. When we use this command, turtle we can see on the main screen. This command is used to after the turtle has been made invisible by the ht command. When we used ht command, that time turtle we cannot see. Again if we want to see the turtle on the main screen, that time we can use the show turtle command. This command? Show turtle command. When we use show turtle command, after pressing enter key, we can see the turtle on the main screen. Turtle on the main screen. The main function of this show turtle command, we can makes the turtle visible. This command makes this we can write st also. In show turtle also we can write as a syntax, otherwise st also we can write as a syntax. When we enter the st command in the input box, that time after pressing enter key, this show turtle can make visible the turtle in main screen. Visible the turtle in main screen. That is the concept of show turtle. Show turtle. When we use hide command, that time turtle can remove from the main screen. Again when we enter the show turtle command, that time again we see the turtle on the main screen. Only these two. When we use the hide command, that time turtle we cannot see on the main screen. When we use show turtle command, that time turtle we can see, again we can see on the main screen. This is the concept of this for both show turtle command and hide turtle command. See, first, now again I am explaining. Now this is the turtle. Previously it is here, and now I have given, just I have opened this window, logo window. When we have opened logo window, automatically we can see the turtle at home position. Yes, home position only we can see. Now I have given hide turtle command. Hide turtle command. I have entered, press enter key. You can see here also. Hide turtle. What is the result of it? This is the result of it. When I have given this command, the result is this, because there is no turtle. Again, I have given show turtle. Show turtle command I have given. I have pressed enter key. Now what is the result? This is the result. This is the result of after entering show turtle command. Now we can see the turtle on the main screen. This is the both. When we use hide, we cannot see turtle. When we use show turtle command, we can see the turtle on the main screen. This is the these two topics. See, one more example I will tell. First, I have opened MS logo window. I have entered the HT, hide turtle. Hide turtle command I have given. Turtle got cancelled here. Again, FD 50 I give. What is the result of it? When I have given FD 50, what is the result of it? 50 units line can draw the turtle. There is no turtle, but when we give this forward command line, it can draw the line. If there is command or not, if there is a turtle or not, but line is, we can draw the line. If turtle is not there, then also we can draw the lines by using the commands. Now FD50 I have given. See, 50 steps I have. Line is the result. Again, now here any turtle is there? No turtle. Again, I want to see the turtle. Show turtle. Again, I have given show turtle command. I have pressed enter. At that time, the result is this. Here, I can see the turtle again came back. Understood? See, this is the concept. This is the concept of these two. We can hide when it is hidden, that time also we can draw the lines. Again, we can see the turtle. This is the hide turtle command and show turtle command. See, next one is third, pen up command. Pen up command. Pen up command. This is the command. Pen up command we can write the short form PU. PU also. This command lifts the pen of the turtle up from the main screen. Pen of the turtle up from the main screen. When we use this pen up command, the turtle cannot draw the line. Only turtle can move around the screen, around the main screen. Turtle we can see. Example I will tell. Turtle we can see, but the turtle cannot draw the line. See, after the PU command is executed, means when we enter the PU command, when we press the enter key, that lines we cannot draw on the main screen. The turtle can be moved around the main screen without drawing a line. See, one example I will tell. First, I have opened logo and giving FD 60 units. FD 60 units I have given. Yes, when I give 60 units after pressing enter key, what is that? This turtle can move forward 60 steps. Turtle can move forward 60 steps. Yes, like a 60 steps line, one line turtle can draw. After that, I have entered PU command. Pen up command. Again, I have given forward 30 units. That time, what is the result? See, this is the 60 units. Yes, from this 60 units to only turtle can move to 30 units. Only turtle. Here there is no line. Only turtle can move. How many steps we have given forward? That much. Only turtle can move. But there is no line. Turtle cannot draw the line. When we use pen up command, that time turtle cannot draw the line. But turtle can move around the screen. Without drawing a line. Any line. This is the concept of pen up command. If you don't want to draw line, just you want to move some distance of the turtle. Again from there you have to start the line. That time we can use this pen up command. Understood? Yes, this is the pen up command. Next one is pen down command. Now we have used pen up command. Pen up command means in this concept, just pen, the command is lifts the pen of the turtle up in the main screen. Means when we use this pen up command, that time we cannot draw the any line, only turtle can move around the screen. Again we want to draw the line. on the main screen. What we have to do? That time we have to use the pen down command. Next command is pen down command. Pen to draw the lines purpose. Purpose we have to use the pen down command. Here pen down command we can use short form is PD also. PD. This is the syntax of the pen down command. See, this command puts the pen of the turtle down on the main screen. Down means it when we use this pen down command, that after that turtle can able to draw the lines. That means it can put the pen down on the main screen. This command execute after the PU command to enable the turtle to draw lines. Again. See, when we use this pen down command, still here it is in up. Yes, pen up. So that's why we have used here pen up command. That's why there is a no line it has drawn. Again, after this I want to draw some more forward. Forward I want to draw the FD40 I want to draw. That time what is the pen down command I have given. So now turtle can draw forward 40 units, otherwise 40 steps. 40 steps. Now pen down command we have entered. Again we have put and we have pressed enter key. So that's why again I have given forward to 40. So this turtle is able to draw the line 40 steps. Understood? This is the concept of pen up and pen down. Pen up we can use to hide the line. There we can, when on hide turtle command, that time just we have hide a turtle. But here when we want to hide the line, that time we can use the pen up command. Again when we want to drop the line, that time we can use pen down command. See, this pen up command is used to lift the pen of the turtle from the main screen. When we use this pen up command, the turtle cannot draw the line. But turtle can move around the screen. Again, we want to start to draw the line. That time what we have to do? Again, that time we have to give the pen down command. When we can use pen down command, that time again turtle can draw the line. Turtle can able to draw the line. This is these two topics: pen down and pen up, and hide turtle and show turtle. Hide turtle and show turtle. Understood now? Here we have used forward, and here 30 steps we have hided. See, this PU command I have given. So turtle cannot draw the line. Forward 30 steps. So turtle came to here. Again I enter pen down command. Now again I have given 40 units. Forward 40 units. That time again turtle can able to draw the line 40 steps. 40 steps from here to here. Understood? See, to hide the line, that time we can use the pen or command. If we want to hide the turtle, that time we can use hide turtle command. Again we want to see the turtle, that time we can use which command? Show turtle command. After hiding the line, again we want to draw the line, that time we can use which command? Which command we can use? Pen down command. Pen down command. This is about these 4 commands. Remaining commands next class I will continue. This all of you listen carefully, and already so many times I have told you, but again telling, if you have a computer or laptop, you can do the practice. You can download MS Logo software from the internet and install in computer and do it and write like a steps and see the lines or movements on the output. What are the result? When the result of the each command you can check. Okay? Yes. So learn and do as well as practice also. Thank you.